This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and making a quick but thorough inspection, because live circuits ruin diagnostics. Once the battery is disconnected, probe visible connectors and look for burn marks or green corrosion. That tells you whether it is electrical or environmental damage. Make sure to remove fairings for access and keep screws organized. Some are different lengths. You need a multimeter, contact cleaner, and a soldering iron ready. This saves time once you find a fault and prevents guessing repairs. You now run step-by-step diagnostics. Measure voltage at the harness and then at the dashboard pins so you can isolate wiring versus module failure. If you find an open trace or cold solder joint, scrape varnish, reflow existing solder, or bridge with wire. This fixes most intermittent gauge issues. Once done, swap any blown fuses and damaged connector housings. Make sure to clean mating surfaces with contact cleaner, because dirt and oxidation cause high resistance and false faults. You finish by carefully reassembling and reconnecting the battery, then perform a systematic power-on check. Confirm backlight, indicators, and odometer function. Once done, make sure to run calibration routines if the dash requires them, and watch the unit for several minutes to catch intermittent failures. If problems persist, swap in a known good module or trace the ignition feed and ground paths, because remaining issues are usually supply or grounding related. One key troubleshooting tip: wiggle connectors on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.